Hello my dear friends, welcome to InfiGyan. In today's video, we have to solve one very interesting question from radical equations, which will be solving for the real values of x. So let's get started straight away by writing our denominators cannot be 0, so x can't be 0. Now we are going to take LCM over here and we will get cube root of x times x square, 5 times x, 5x plus 5, and in denominator we will get x plus cube root of x times x square, 5 times x, 5x plus 6 over x plus x times x square, 5 times x is 5x plus 7 over x, and in RHS we have 0. Now we have cube root x in the denominators. So I will multiply our equation by cube root x both sides. Now we can cancel denominator cube root x with cube root x. And in RHS, 0 times cube root x is 0. So we will write our equation cube root of x square plus 5x plus 5 plus cube root of x square plus 5x plus 6 plus cube root of x square plus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. Now we will use substitution. Let us say x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to a. So we'll be writing x square plus 5x plus 5 in terms of a, which will be equal to a minus 1, and x square plus 5x plus 7. In terms of a, we can write a plus 1. So we can write our equation in variable a. Equation will become cube root of a minus 1 plus cube root of a plus cube root of a plus 1 equal to 0. Now we are going to use one algebraic identity. Let's say cube root of a minus 1, suppose it is p. Cube root of a if it is q, cube root of a plus 1 if it is r. Then we have p plus q plus r equal to 0. So we know that p cube plus q cube plus r cube, this must be equal to 3 times product of p, q, r. Now we have to find p cube, q cube, r cube as per our substitution. So after cubing both sides, we will get p cube equal to a minus 1. After cubing cube root a equal to q, we will get q cube equal to a. And once we will cube here, we are going to write r cube value a plus 1. Then as per our requirement over here, we need to add these three equations. And we will get p cube plus q cube plus r cube equal to a plus a plus a, 3a, plus 1 and minus 1 will get over. So here we can write 3 times a. And in RHS, we'll write 3 times cube root of a minus 1 times cube root of a times cube root of a plus 1. Let's write here p cube plus q cube plus r cube equal to 3 times pqr. Here p cube plus q cube plus r cube is 3 times a. In right hand side, we will write cube root of a minus 1 times cube root of a times cube root of a plus 1. Now we can divide both sides by 3 to cancel 3 from both the sides. So we will get a equal to, using property from radical, we will write cube root of a minus 1 times a plus 1 times a. Now a minus 1 times a plus 1. Here we can use difference of two squares formula. So a will be equal to cube root of a square minus 1 times a. Now we have cube root in right hand side. So we'll be cubing both sides to cancel cube root from RHS. We will get a cube equal to a times a square minus 1. Now we will write all the terms to one side. We will get a cube minus a times a square minus 1 equal to 0. Now a is common, so we will take a common out. In bracket we will get a square minus of a square minus 1. RHS is 0. Or we can write a times a square minus a square plus 1 equal to 0. Now plus a square minus a square will be 0. We will get a times 1 equal to 0, or a will be equal to 0. Now a was our substitution, x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So ultimately we have to solve this quadratic equation, which will be solving using method of factorization. We can split our middle term 5x, 2x plus 3x. So we can write here x square plus, and here we have plus 6 equal to 0. Now from these two terms we will take x common, from these two terms we will take 3 common, and we will get x times x plus 2. If 3 is common, then we will get x plus 2 in the bracket equal to 0. Now x plus 2 is overall common. So in other bracket we can write x plus 3. Now we will be using product 0 rule. So we'll write either x plus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0. So from our first equation we are going to get our first real solution, negative 2. And from second equation we are going to get second real solution, negative 3. So we have two solutions for our equation, negative 2 and negative 3. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.